Man, holy buckets, was that a lot of fun. We just got back from Portland, Indiana. Now it's raining and all kinds of fun. So guys, Portland, Indiana. Yeah, buddy. Portland, Indiana, next week's video. I'm sure you guys just got done watching Terrell's video and you can see how much fun we had. So guess what? Now we're going to have our video next week and you get to see our perspective of it. Yeah. So as soon as I get all this unloaded, now I got to sit down and take a week long of editing because I met a lot of people, a lot of fans, a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff happening. So anyway, guys, Doc Neon, we paid him a visit. So you get to watch that video and see what happens at Doc Neon's place. So, and then wait for next week and we'll see you guys. So please like and subscribe so you get that notification when we get that video out. And we'll catch you guys next weekend. Holy buckets! That's right! Yeah! Well, I got so much to unload. So much. We'll be over. No problem. I'll bring Camera Girl with me. Okay. Hey, guess what? So Doc Neon wants me to come over. And do you feel like I want to go over Doc Neon's? It's kind of dead here at the moment, so.
Sure, we can do that.
All right, so let's go over to Doc Neon's and he wants us to make some tubes.
Okay, let's go.
Doc's got to be in the shop. I just know he is. Here's the shop. Let's see if he's there. Hey, Doc, you in there?
Who's there?
It's Buckets.
Oh, Buckets.
Yeah.
It's you.
I'm back. Doc, what's up, buddy?
What you doing?
All
there,
right.
buddy? It's you.
Yeah, buddy.
Buckets.
All right.
Come this way.
Cool. I can't believe I'm back, Doc. How you been?
Oh, fine. How you been?
All right.
Now I can show you how to do this neon tray.
All right. Oh, I'm excited, Doc. I can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait to show you.
Yeah.
So first of all, we have what we call pattern, and it's backwards.
Okay.
Because when you pull it up, it'll be forward. You bend it backwards and to the left.
Okay, so you bend it backwards to the left.
And you take your glass tubing and say you're going to make an A for the Camaro. You start out like so, and you take a piece of chalk like so, and you mark where the first bend is, and the second bend is where you're going to bend the first part of the A, and then you're going to bend that and whip it back around. And you use a blow hose for these tight bends, because if you don't use the blow hose, it'll go flat on you. It'll collapse.
Okay.
So you put this blow hose on one end.
So it's like a balloon. You want to keep it.
And you use what we call, there's the mouthpiece.
Okay.
And I made a new one just for you. And then you put a cork in the other end so you can get pressure when you make your bend. And you use this mainly on tight bends.
I see.
Okay. So what we can do is, the first thing we do is light up the fires. And I have to turn the blower on, which is over there. Who is it?
It's Bear. That's just Bear. Bear, what are you doing here? Can I see what you guys are doing? Can I please, please. Let me come in and see. Let me help. Yes. Well, Doc, what do you think? Is it all right if Bear can come in and see us? See what we're doing. Let me come in and see. Let me help.
Well, he's already here. We might as well show him what we're doing.
All right. Okay, come on, Bear. Yeah, love you. You guys are great. Oh, woo.
Okay, Bear. This is what we call a pattern. I'm showing buckets how to make a neon sign. But first, I got to go over and light up the equipment.
Yes.
Excuse me, Bear. Turn on the blower first, and I got to come back over here. Oops, excuse me again, Bear. And this is the ribbon burner, which I have to light up like this. Stand back there, buckets. There we go, about like that. Now I gotta light up the crossfire. Excuse me, bucket.
You like that, Bear?
There we go.
Don't do that, Bear. Don't even think about it. Don't do what I do. Can I try? Can I make something? Oh, come on. Let me try. Let me try. I know what to do. Oh, come on. Oh, thank you. All right, let's show me that thing. Let me try. I know what to do. Excuse me, Bear.
Use this, my latest invention.
All right.
Bear, looks like you're really getting into it. Go ahead and show me what you can do.
Okay.
Be careful, don't get burned.
All right.
Bear, how'd it go? Show me what you came up with. I gotta see this. Oh my goodness! Ah, you amaze me. How did you do that?
I used to work for a sign company. Neon light. It was moonlighting. Woo!
Well, you did pretty good considering.
Thank you. You guys are great. I can't believe you let me do it. Woo! I hang that out my barn. Oh wait, I don't have a barn no more. It burned down. That's another story. Woo! It's getting hot in here. Woo! What is that?
You gotta see my latest invention.
Oh.
You ever been out weed whacking and run into those pesky beer cans and have to chase them down? They fling across the yard.
Yep.
No more. All you have to do, this is a detecto whack. This is a combination metal detector and weed eater.
Really?
You just go along and it detects the cans and you bend over and put them in your sack and go right on. It's the detecto whack
That is so
by
cool.
DN Enterprises.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I hope he's okay back there.
Ah, it's been a while. Maybe
Maybe you ought to check on them because you don't want them burning your place down.
No, no, no.
Yeah. Here, let me hold on to that.
There you go.
Yeah, go check on them.
Okay, I will.